Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Meet with Calendly. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start using Google Meet as like your central hub for actually accessing your appointments on Calendly. How do you actually go about connecting Google Meet with Calendly? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. This video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we want to do is access our Calendly account, which looks like this right here. Next, you want to click on integrations on apps. So it's on the left hand side here. Here, you want to scroll down to where you see Google Meet. So click on Google Meet, and then from here, you are going to need a Google Calendar and then any Calendly subscription. So even if you're on the free Calendly subscription, you can use Google Meet and connect it with Calendly. So click on the Connect Google Calendar button. And then from here, you're going to see the option to actually connect your Google Calendar. And then once you do, you'll be able to connect your Google Meet with Calendly. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Google Meet with Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.